Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking around this approved used Peugeot E-2008 50kWh Allure Premium, complemented in the Cumulus Grey paintwork. This fully electric vehicle does offer a range of up to 206 miles and can easily reach up to 80% charge in just 52 minutes using a rapid public charger. It is ideal for both home and public charging as it does house AC and DC charging capabilities, alongside top features including your LED headlights, 17-inch alloy wheels, and for added protection, your power folding wing mirrors, 180-degree camera, and even your parking sensors. The boot offers plenty of space to store your charging cables and daily essentials, whilst the luxurious part leather trim offers maximum comfort with your central power outlets. Stepping into the front, you do have your multifunctional steering wheel, central touch display screen, and again the luxury of a part leather trim with your contrasting stitching. You do have seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your Peugeot cockpit, displaying your on-screen EV information, alongside the added bonus of your cruise control, speed limiter, one of two personal profiles, and even your different driving modes. Moving across, of course, you do have your telephone connection and various radio stations for endless entertainment, alongside your on-screen driving functions and the activation of your sensors and reversing camera that does even come complete with a zoom view mode, so it is ideal in those tighter parking spots. Alongside your on-screen climate controls, you do have various driving functions located below, followed by your handy power outlets, cup holders and storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.